I never thought my life would be like this. When I met Alex, he was everything I ever wanted. He was not just my love, he was my home. We met in a library, reaching for the same book. He laughed, gave it to me, and said, "I hope you like it." That one moment started our story. Our love was simple, sweet, and full of happy moments. We talked about dreams, made plans, and promised to stay together forever. One night, under the stars, he held my hand and said, "I will never let go." And I believed him. After we got married, life felt like a dream. Mornings started with coffee, nights ended with laughter. But dreams do not last forever. Alex got a new job in another city. At first, we made it work. Late night calls, weekend visits, long texts. Everything felt the same. But slowly, the calls became short, the visits became rare, and the texts, they lost their love. "Work is keeping me busy," he said. I understood. I trusted him until one night when his message came late. "Good night, take care." Something felt wrong. One day, I went to surprise him. I took the early train, happy to see his face. But when I reached his apartment, my hands stopped at the door. A woman opened it. She was wearing his shirt, my husband's shirt. I could not breathe. "Who are you?" she asked. I wanted to scream, cry, run, but my voice broke into a whisper. "I am his wife." Her face turned white. "No," he told me, he was not married. The world around me broke. I wanted this to be a bad dream, but it was real. Alex walked into the room, his face full of fear. When he saw me, I looked at him. He did not say a word. His silence told me everything. "Say something, Alex," I begged. "Tell me this is not true." But he only looked away. Tears filled my eyes. "I fought for us. Alex, why did you not?" He sighed. "I'm sorry, Mia. I just fell out of love. Fell out of love." How do you fall out of love with someone who gave you their world? I grabbed his hand, my fingers shaking. "Please do not do this." He pulled his hand away. Cold, silent, gone. That was the moment I knew I had already lost him. For weeks I stayed in bed, unable to eat, unable to sleep. The pain was too much. Then one day, I picked up the book we had first reached for in that library. Inside, I had once written, "Alex and Mia forever." Forever was over. I packed my bags, moved to a new city, started a new life. One evening, as the sun set, I stood by the sea and whispered, "I forgive you, Alex, not for him, for me." Because the moment he let go of my hand, I learned to hold my own.